Good morning, it's Jen. Thanks for stopping by. I have been working on these little flip out notebooks and I'm going to show you how I made them. I'm using the Colors of Autumn kit from Sunflowers and Dors, and this is a design team project I'm working on. The page that I am using for these is this page, the large circles that she made. Now I took a 2-inch hole punch, and I punched these out. But just know that if you use that punch, the cream colored border around these gets cut off. And I'm okay with that. I inked around these. So I punched these out, and I originally printed them on some of the steampunk paper that I didn't use in my last project. So I'll show you how to cover that up. I have some little brads. These I bought at Hobby Lobby. There's 100 in here for $3. And then I also have my crocodile, which you don't have to have this to punch your holes. You could just use an awl. Just make sure their holes are big enough that you can get the movement that you want to spin these pages around. Okay. So let me show you how I did this. I punched out a piece of file folder, okay? And then I also punched out some coffee dyed paper, okay? And you could save this stuff. Makes awesome collage fodder for mixed media projects. Okay, so what I want to do is, this is going to be my front, and then I'm going to have 5 little pages, and then this is going to be the back, and I cut the file folders to cover up the back, and I'll show you why. You want to leave the very back piece that you're going to use out when you're punching your holes. Now I'm going to use the 1/8 inch, which is the small holes. And you can see that. And I just punched through all of these. I have some vintage photo distress oxide, Tim Holtz by Ranger. I'm going to ink up around this piece because this piece is hard to ink once I get it on. And I want the inked side on the inside. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little brad, move this out of the way, take one of these brads and put it through. Okay. Get that into place. You want it tight, but not so tight that it can't move. Okay. Then we're going to take the back piece and we're going to glue it on. And I use Eileen's tacky glue for almost everything that I do. So I'm going to flip this over. Make sure that I have this lined up where I want it. Glue this back piece on to cover up where you bent that brad down. Okay, and now these fold out or flip out. And then I will take some more ink and ink these up. Okay, I cut some words from her word page, but I used the smaller ones. I printed them in 2 sizes, and I want to use these on here. So I'm going to trim them down and ink them up. I just want them a little bit shorter where they fit better on these little circles. My ink. Go around the edges so that they stand out a little bit. And these are cardstock thickness too, which makes them easier to work with, especially when you're trying to ink them up. And then I'm just going to glue them down. Let's see. I think I want that there. And this here. Okay. And I did the same thing on this one. I just used different words. Fun little quick project that you can do rather quickly. Once you figure it out, these go pretty quick. So now I have these little notebooks to tuck into places, right? And these are good for just writing little quick notes on. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a good day.